Hey traders, welcome to the final video, part 5 of the price action basics series. Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you on how I analyze the charts and make a live trade. Okay, it involves the 4-part process which I've explained in the previous videos. So let's jump into the charts. We have a chart of the euro. Okay, I've used the weekly, daily, H4 and the H1. Direction of the weekly, it's up. Okay, this marks the turning point. I've changed the chart's color to a green. The daily as well, and followed by the H4. Okay, so what we have here is a resistance area, and price look like it may break to the upside. Okay, so direction is to the upside. And part 2, let's identify the current market phase. Okay, it's made a big move to the upside, and price is stalling. So it's in a range. In the range, we're going to be looking for a test of the lower part of the range. Since I have a bias to the upside, I'm going to be looking for a buy setup, okay, which means I'm going to be looking for price to make some sort of a fake out here, and I'm hoping that price will be contained in the range. Now it looks more obvious. Okay, this is the level which I've identified. Previous resistance turned to support. Okay, and what would price do? I'm thinking that it would hold. Okay, so we'll see what price will do. Okay, guys. I got in here at 1.16224. Okay, let me mark it with a green. Stop loss below here, and take profit at approximately 221. I'll give you an update on the real numbers later. I've placed it on my live account. It's on a verified MyFXBook account. Okay, so price did exactly what we predicted it would do, and it's time for us to get into the long. Okay, guys, we hit a take profit target here a few hours ago. It was an easy 2-to-1 trade. Okay, this is the account I'm using to trade, and this was the position here. Okay, the entry was 1.16224, take profit, stop loss, and so on. Okay, 2-to-1. I risk 100 to make 200. Okay, so this will be the first trade example, and let's move on to the next one. Hey guys, it's Friday, currently the late Asian session. We're still in pretty much the same condition as yesterday, as the previous trades example. Direction is pretty much going to the upside. Price broke through the resistance here. Okay, the next resistance it has is somewhere above here, but there's still room for us to make some pips. So again, I'm going to be waiting for price to make a dip. Okay, it's formed a range. Okay, and what would price do at this level? I'm also betting that it would do the same thing it did yesterday, which was a fake out. Okay, because I have a strong bias to the upside. So let's draw out the roadmap. Okay, I'm going to be aiming for a 2-to-1 trade. Okay, Simple and easy. Okay, guys. We're currently in the New York session, and this is what price did today. Okay, so I had expected it to retrace first before heading to the upside, but instead it made a fake out first and reversed. Okay, so I took one trade today, which was a sell on this candle close on the H1. Okay, stop loss above here and exit at 221, right about here. So the reasoning was because although everything else looks green here, okay, direction is telling me that price may go up further. However, on the H1, let's take a look at the market phase. Okay, so we had a trend, a range, a trend, a range, another trend, and another range followed after that. Okay, so as you guys know in the range, there's three things that could happen. One is that price stays contained in the range. Okay, two is that it made a breakout, and the third one is that it made a fake out. Okay, which it did over here. Okay, so this is to trap the buyers into thinking that price will break higher to the upside. Okay, but essentially this is just a fake out. Okay, so at this candle close, I went short, and we had our 2-1 winner. I wasn't able to record the trade because I was away from my screen, but here's the results on the MyFX book account. Okay, this was yesterday's, and this is today's. Okay, it took a total of 4 hours and about a 2% gain. Okay, guys. So in this case, following the step-by-step example, this is a more advanced trade because it's going against direction. Okay, or some may call it as a counter trend trade. Okay, but regardless, if you're experienced enough, you may take trades like these. Okay, I was pretty certain that this is a fake out. Okay, because the market cannot trend forever. It has to form some sort of range to get more people involved before it breaks out and continue the trend again. So to answer question number 4, what would price do at the level? I had that fake out in mind all along. Okay, those are the 2 live trade examples I've shown you using these 4 steps, and I hope that you'll be able to apply them to your own trading as well. This marks the end of the price action basic series. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment below. Then don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.